Yours is a lot bigger than mine. Here, I'll erase it.
It's not always about size. Dude, mine is like sick. Like it looks like one of those
I want to put LEDs on this one so that it can light up as I'm spinning it.
mod it. You mean
Yeah.
mod your fidget spin? Like if you look at the video, it's literally looks like a food disposal thing.
Yeah.
From the angle I am in. Oh, dude, that's cool.
Yeah, I took a video.
Yours looks like a saw blade. Mine just looks like it actually does look like UFO.
You left the light on in my closet.
I was gonna go back in there in a little bit.
Yeah, but
I'll turn it off.
It's been on for hours. You just gotta learn.
Shit.
Oh, there's stuff out there. Oh, God, yes. There's still stuff. You know the storage room out there?
Yeah. Woo, woo. Shane, UFO coming in hot. Skills.
Until I hit that thing off your finger.
I saw it, dude.